Right. So the next topic is how Agentforce is replacing Copilot. I think Vijay mentioned autonomy. Obviously, once we introduce AI, we want it to be autonomous. We should be able to leverage tasks to it. While Copilot was able to do it to an extent, Agentforce takes it a step above and gives you actionable insights. In the sense, for example, if you were to frequently ask questions, now Agentforce will be able to tackle more complex use cases without any human intervention to step in. But at the same time, it can sense when you actually need a human, and then it will escalate the issue to a human, so that a bad situation doesn't become worse. Actionability, like I said previously, with AI, obviously you need actionable insights. Copilot, for example, could do it to an extent, like for say, if you have to generate a report, it will generate the report, but it not give you some actionable insights that you can take on that report. Agentforce fills in that gap. Let's say you generate a sales report through Agentforce, through an Agentforce agent. Now it will automatically create some calibrations for you and derive some insights based on which you can take tangible decision, like book meetings with your clients or how to alter your pitch to clients for future calls. Real-time data access. Copilot had access to data, but it was limited and it was pre-existing. So that obviously it could take decisions or actions as long as the data allowed it. But with Agentforce and with the integration with Data Cloud, it can vouch on real-time data and take actions and decisions in real time. Not only with certain old case scenarios, but future requirements that come its way as well. Customization. It's highly customizable, as we just said. Obviously, Copilot was able to fulfill some basic use cases, some standard out-of-the-box use cases, but Agentforce goes a step further. It understands what those business-specific use cases are in your specific business, and then helps you, alter those conversations, terminology, your business use cases. Natural language understanding as well. Agentforce, Vijay mentioned, understands context now. Copilot was not very subjective. It would just build on the pre-existing data and give solutions. Agentforce understands the whole context of the situation, understands the language you want to communicate with the client in, and then prepares a response. For example, if a customer mentions shipping delays, it tries to understand that a customer might be referring to a specific order, and then pass on information based on that. So we have the much awaited demo now that Vijay will actually walk you through on how to build an Agentforce agent, and then further things from there as well. Yeah, Vijay.
All right, just give me a moment. I will set up the demo. I'm trying to set it up. Just give me a moment. It will take a couple more minutes.
Right. In the meantime, I can walk you through some quick stats as well that AI has led into the business. So 84% of companies believe that AI chatbots will gain importance for customer communication. So it's also an idea for decision makers to identify how AI can best help your business use cases, because definitely it will be a game changer, as we can already see. By 2027, chatbots can become the primary customer support channel for your clients. It can help on multiple levels. Provide results or responses to your clients' inquiries in real time. You might not want to have an agent sit there at all times. Irrespective of where the time zone of your customer is, they can get answers in real time. Not only that, obviously, the fact that you don't need to have a physical customer agent available all the time, it can help you reduce the cost as well and improve your customer performance, because the clients are getting responses in real time. It can also bring a 67% increase in sales, because chatbots can automate simple use cases, thereby enabling your sales leaders, account executives, SDRs to focus on much more important things. And a very brilliant fact that I was able to witness as per Juniper's research is that it can save up to 2.5 billion hours of work. Just imagine the amount of time your team can save on it, and not just the time aspect, but the cost aspect as well. So yeah, AI actually has a lot of tangible benefits. It's all about how to incorporate or fine-tune AI into your regular, business operations. Right.
All right. Thanks. I think we were missing the slide for the numbers that you were talking about, but I think we can again have a look at it afterwards.
All right, no worries, sure.